Hello everyone, welcome to another video from the Star Trek playlist. Even though this video will be a little bit different because the subject is something that exists in real life but was a very important part of the Star Trek franchise as well. And that's the OV-101 Space Shuttle Enterprise. So without further ado, let's take a look at the model. And here we are, and this is the model. As you can see, it is on the standard stand with the updated information, but also with a different logo, because here I put motto, because here I put the "for the benefit of all," which is the motto of NASA. So for now I will get rid of the stand and we simply take a look. So yeah, the shuttle is rather simplistic. Yeah, it's simply meant to complement my Enterprise collection, and yeah, it doesn't have any features. So now we will take a look how it actually all goes together. Okay, so we start with this base, and as you can see here, I inserted 4 pins. Now we have this piece, and we have mirror parts, and as you can see here we have 3 holes. Yeah, so we will insert the pins and then we will simply put the 2 pieces together, and once they are together we will put everything together, because now here we have holes which are corresponding with these holes, and these logs which are corresponding with these logs. Yeah, and then everything will clap together. And then we will insert this front, and to it we will put the black front window and the roof. And now we will put the back, yeah, which has the holes for the pins. Now the black pieces, which will be inserted into the place. Yeah, here we have this little wall, and the black piece has corresponding groove, and those 2 pieces will simply be slided into the opening. And last but not least, here in this opening we will insert the OMS thrusters, and that's the body. So now we will get rid of the body and take a look at the wings. Okay, so we start with this part. As you can see here, we have a hole for 4 pins, so we will insert them and then put the second half like that. Now we will insert the bag. The bag has the groove for this long bag and is inserted into place, and the front as well. It has once again a groove for the bags which are here, which also hold the 2 halves together even better. Now we will insert the very front. Yeah, it has holes. This thing has a bag, yeah, so they will go together. And now this small white piece, and the front is done. Now here to the back, here we have an opening for the flaps, so these are the first flaps which will be simply inserted, and these are the second one, which, as you can see, will be clicked to the place like that. And now here to this opening we will insert first the white piece of the wings and then the gray piece of the wings, and the pressure of them being there at once simply hold them together, so you don't need a glue. And last but not least, here we have the openings for the cassettes with logo, and we will insert the logo, and the wings are done. And as you can see, here we have the pegs, so we simply slide from above the body and click everything together, so we will have this. And now the engines, they are least difficult. Yeah, this entire piece will be inserted here into this opening. Yeah, so like this. Then through those holes we will insert the two driving cones. It could be one piece, sure, but I divided it into basically three, simply because I take into account that some people may have a problem with stringing, and printing something like that would mean that there would be quite a lot of stringing around all three cones. That is why I divided. Okay, so that's the engines. And last but not least, after the two halves are together, here we will insert the hatch. And that's done. And the model is assembled and completed. Okay, so as you can see, it's not really difficult, it's not complex design, so the assembly shouldn't really be a problem. And because these pieces are printed like this, so if you orient them on the printing bed like that, you can even print the text with those in black, so you don't even have to paint anything. Okay, so that's it, and let's take a look at the actual print. And here we are. And as you can see, the print went quite nice. Yeah, I'm really glad how it actually turned out. There really were no hiccups, and the Enterprise is finished. I'm actually thinking that I will, based on this, make a bigger version with openable cargo bay, because this version doesn't have the cargo bay openable, but yeah, that's something for the future. Okay, so this is OV-101 Enterprise Space Shuttle. I hope you liked it, and yeah, we will see each other in the next video. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.